Okay, guys, Mimish, everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Let's wrap up our day. Um, Sorry, I was on and off auditioning, but that's the goal. That's exactly why I do trading because I can do it on my own terms. And whenever an audition comes through or booking, and I have to work on set, I don't need to be worried about how my business goes. That was interesting. Meantime, still not good for. Damn, it was good though. um, Too close. That's the problem. It's like damn too close. So this 0.5 probably it's not valid anymore. Ooh, look at this guy. And those are cues. Yeah, I should really, in all reality, I should remove the 0.5. It's not valid. It's not valid. But all this was, oof, look what it did. How beautiful. And now we got the volume. Now we got the volume, and there's nothing to be worried about in terms of um, this volume. The previous volumes don't count anymore because we got a closed manipulation signal on the level of superior time frame. Still was a short. Look at this guy. How beautiful. The only thing missing was an upthrust, was a test. Just take it without a test? I don't think so. And it can gap tomorrow. Ooh, it can gap. We're getting unvolumed close manipulation signal, and it cannot be manipulation. So it cannot be like a shakeout event with no volume. No volume, no shake. Where are we? Oof. Tiro is nearing. Bro, I locked myself in it. No one did. I did it myself. I did it myself. Some volume. DTM will expire soon, as I've learned recently. Closes below. It breaks the level. I'm pretty positive about it. Let it run, but um, there's like less than 10 minutes left. So will this most likely empty because the spring. Mm-hmm. Yeah, maybe that's the situation. We'll see how it interacts with this level, but then I'll put a level here and I'll put T1 here. Oracle. KPK. Looks like it's gonna close the impulse. And then the previous T2 will be like here. Yeah. Continuation of the trend. It just goes. It just goes. Yeah. This whole thing was in correction, so even though transition extreme didn't confirm, doesn't matter. Just I'm saying possibly that was still the wave. Its final looks like transition extreme. Oh, continuation of the trend. That's all I can say. Um, that's probably. Now this qualifies too for. Yeah. 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 It's rather an interesting situation. This volume. It's rather an interesting situation. It's the biggest volume ever since the beginning of the war. And if it's bigger than that, what happened to Rosneft? It's the biggest volume from the beginning of the times. So, which is a good indicator that it's not a shakeout, it's a rupture. Or at least shouldn't trust the signal. It's an interesting situation on the Rosneft. Rosneft may be doing a reversal to go higher. And it can go. It can go. This guy. This guy just goes. So does McDonald's. I'm loving it. Yeah, I didn't. Maybe I should consider a continuation of the trend on this guy because volumes are above us. Now we can go. Weird volume. This is hallucination. This is hallucination. I should ask my trading coach about. It's the same, I think. We're below this volume and this volume. I don't want to open a Pandora chest, you know? I'll keep an eye. that's that's what I always do, and like I shouldn't, but like still something unvolumed spring. That's still something unvolumed spring. Here we go. And the markets are closed. So should I be. Let's finish the list. Oh, oh. It's not good on for investment trade, I think. Yeah, with all these volumes and where we are in monthly. No, no, no. It's getting close, and also, something really small. Oof, we are getting there. We're getting there. This Indonesian stock. It's in good place on the month. The drop is steep. It on the year. It's a good place. Biggest volume. 1 bar spring of the bar level, which was the biggest volume. Well, technically it was like that was the level and it tried to hold, but practically this is a little stiff. The rest is great. And volume distribution is weird, so we definitely need like a good exhaustion volume. Now it's finally break. It's finally reverse. That's probably test level. And this was a break. And that's was a test that was broken. So now the sign of weakness level is on deck. I mean, would you believe in an upthrust like this? So I probably wouldn't. That would be funny if it closes. It'd be funny if it closes an upthrust. That's hysteria, I see. That would be an interesting level. We're rising. Slowly grinds up. It looks like it wants to close in a break. We're like mid-month right now. Oh, if it's close. And this volume is good. The biggest volume with no break. Now it bounces as a spring and the volume checks out. Somewhat checks out on D. It's a good place. That's all I'm saying. Word. XLP. XOM. Things will happen while they can. Yeah, somewhere here it was possible. Not, yeah, there's no context on monthly. That's a break. Yeah, that's where we are. This is where we are. That's a break. Well, yeah. Good volume, but this is not far from. It looks like it will want to break. So far from 0.5, but this is, yeah, too frivolous to try to short it there. It's against the rules I'm self-imposing. That's more like an exhaustion now. Well, I mean, how would you tell? Like here it looked like an exhaustion, here it looked like an exhaustion, and then it wasn't. So, okay, that's it. We got some more hourly watches. That will be it for today. You guys